good morning mga ka-Pro Trade NFT. So, gawa tayo ng presentation Pro Trade NFT about the company. So, welcome the Pro Trade NFT, the next generation AI driving crypto and NFT trading exchange that puts intelligence, speed, and security at the heart of every transaction. Whether you're seasoned trader, NFT collector, or just entering the blockchain space, ProTrade NFT is built to give you the edge. Ayan. So, why ProTrade NFT? AI-powered smart trading. Leverage advanced machine learning algorithms that analyze real-time market data, identify profitable opportunities, and execute trades faster than humanly possible. From automated portfolio rebalancing to predictive analytics, DigiTradX empowers you well with the data-driven decisions. Ayan. So, key picture at a glance. AI-driven trade, gas fee, optimization, advanced NFT valuation engine, social trading and copy trade AI, multi-chain and cross-chain support, regulatory compliance and KYC security, integrated wallet and portfolio trackers. Investment level with ROI, return on investment. So, if you put the fund, this is a minimum. Level 1, $50,000 or $50 to $2,999. So, 1.1% daily. Level 2, $3,000 to $5,999, 2.1% daily. Level 3, $6,000 to $9,999, you earn 2.5% daily. Level 4, $10,000 to $19,999, 3% daily. Level 5, $20,000 to $29,999, 3